Hello guys, I'm Eric.
I'm Jennifer.
And we are Schmoop's Adventures. And today we are checking into Casa Ixchel on the beautiful island of Isla Mujeres in Mexico. We found this little gem last year when we were here at Da Luisa restaurant, and we noticed how beautiful the property was, and we looked it up and decided that this year we were going to stay here. So we're going to take you inside and show you the accommodation and bring you along to the restaurants, show you the beach, and tell you a little bit about staying on this part of Isla Mujeres.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and ride on time.
We're staying in this really cute little place. The suite that we have is Abundance. It's called Abundance, and if you turn around, you guys, just want you to see the little pool and the beautiful view we have. As everyone knows, I love my view.
We have a little day bed here.
Swimming pool, a nice deck, gorgeous view of the Caribbean. And we're going to take you on a tour of our room in just a little bit. But this view I had to show you guys.
Yeah.
It's spectacular.
We'll put the drone up and give you a little perspective of where it's located. This is our room here.
Abundance.
So go on
show
in.
you this cute little place. Okay.
Welcome to my crib. So, one of the first things I noticed when walking in here is that they have a water jug. When we were staying in places in Mexico, we're always running out of water and always having to go to the store, ask room for service for more water. So upon entering, you get this beautiful shelf here.
Got your living area, and I guess this is like a suite, so if you have multiple persons staying with you, family or friends, you have
it's a Murphy bed.
A nice little Murphy bed.
Yeah, Murphy bed folds up.
We've got our view of the swimming pool and the Caribbean, and the sun deck and the little sun loungers.
Yeah.
And if you come into you have a full kitchenette. Actually, yeah, like a kitchen area.
Oh yeah.
You've got your...
Is there a beer in the fridge? No, not yet. We're gonna have to put some beer in the fridge.
The bar opens at 12, so we can go to the bar and get a beer.
Okay.
You've got glassware here and cups, toaster,
Excellent.
coffee maker.
How cool is this table?
Look at that.
This looks like my sister would love this. Look, it says the seashells. Ixchel.
I can't see, but anyway.
Ixchel.
Oh, no kidding. It does. So this is our safe and our towels, which are not to be used on the beach.
Nice little picnic basket there. Yeah, the host asked us that the towels are just for the habitation, not
fine.
and the pool, not to take them on the beach, which of course not.
So a separate
Yeah, so when we got here, we're looking, we said, well, here's the bathroom,
shower, a separate toilet. And
where's the
sink.
shower? And then we found the shower.
Right here, it's a separate shower.
Now here, it's huge and it's beautiful.
Very big.
So hopefully the water pressure is great. We'll check that out
Well, we
later.
were kind of spoiled at
And then the main bedroom here.
with air conditioning units.
Oh yeah, nice cool habitation, nice set of closets.
Yeah, it's a full closet.
Yeah, all right.
A nice ceiling fan and an air conditioning unit. The remote here,
Mm-hmm.
like we had at Casa Ixchel when we stayed there last summer.
Yeah, that's one thing that I appreciate about some of these units when they have the remote control for the air conditioner, because I wake up in the middle of the night and I get cold, and it's much better to have the remote and be able to turn the air down a little bit, or turn it up, whatever, than it is to have to get up and stumble and trip over your luggage to get to the pad on the wall that you can't read. So I like the remote control air conditioning. Jennifer likes the room to be an ice box. So
It gets hot at night.
yeah. Well, there you have it, folks. There's our accommodations at Casa Ixchel, the Abundance Suite. Of course, I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to book this place. The restaurant upstairs is awesome. We'll review that later. We'll show you the pool. Yeah. So right now, what we're going to do, we're going to we're gonna unpack our suitcases and make ourselves comfortable, and we'll catch up with you in the next scene. It's about noon, so we're gonna head upstairs to check out the bar situation, get a drink, and then might go snorkeling. Wow, look at this. Yeah, see, this is where we had dinner last year at this table here, and then we fell in love with this spot. I mean, the view is just amazing. This pool. So, wow. They have a nice palapa bar up top here. See, right here. Thank you so much. That's a cute glass.
Love it. These are the margarita glasses.
Yeah, so what do you think of this place so far, hon?
I love it. This is probably my most favorite part of the island due to its quiet, peaceful nature. This scenery here, and this is where we want to live.
I agree.
So it seems like with every trip, the best is always last, and unfortunately, you guys and girls and everybody, this is our last 2 days, and I'm really getting sad because this is my favorite place. This is where I feel most peaceful and most alive because it's so quiet, and all you hear are the waves crashing, and it's just, I love it here.
It is. I really didn't expect to be this comfortable here when we booked it. I just figured it'd be a nice place to wind down from a long trip, but it is beautiful. So I think we're gonna finish these beverages, and they got a beautiful reef out front here where we might see some sea turtles, because this is the turtley side of the island.
Very turtley.
So we're gonna finish these drinks and go grab our snorkel gear and head out there and check out this gorgeous reef. Had a great little snorkel out on the beach here. There's some beautiful reefs, beautiful coral head. It's amazing. It's a little tough to get out past the breakers without walking on the coral, because you don't want to do that for a lot of reasons. But once you get out there, it's gorgeous. And then we took a little ride down to the next beach where Villa La Bella is, and they have a beautiful beach down there with all kind of like mermaid caves and turtle nests and everything. Wasn't that cool?
Yep, it was. I'm gonna have to say by far this is probably gonna be my favorite, because this is just, again, my favorite part. I love the serenity, the peacefulness, no hustle and bustle. It's just, this really literally puts you on island time.
And I guess I was right, it really is a good reef, because I don't know if you can see it out there. There's a Yeah, there's like a dive boat out there. So yeah, they got a diver flag up. So yeah, it must be a damn good place. So yeah, we're just walking around the property here, checking things out. We are going to head upstairs to Isla restaurant and sample their lunch menu. So yeah, come along with us. Let's get some lunch. The waiter just brought the menu. It looks pretty good.
And you know what? I make every time we come back. You saw this? Yeah.
We started with some chips and guacamole.
Yeah, that's the rooftop.
It's really good.
Yeah.
All right. Steak, carne tacos.
May I get a soul, por favor? Soul. I got.
How's that look?
I got the. Well, we'll split them. It's fine.
Yeah, we'll try. We'll share
Do
them.
not love.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers. Hard to not love cerveza, the tacos, and the beautiful view of the Caribbean.
Mm-hmm.
It's nearly impossible to find bad food or food that's not good on this island.
Yeah, you can't go wrong.
Jalapeno's for lunch. We got the beef and chicken tacos for the win.
Yeah. So watch some B-roll. We'll pick it back up at dinner time, I guess. Well, we've been having a wonderful time at Casa Ixchel, and we were really looking forward to having dinner at Isla, the restaurant here, but everything's closed up today. I don't know, they're just not here for dinner. So we're gonna head into town.
To Rosa Serena's rooftop.
Rosa Serena, we're gonna have dinner with some friends that we met on the island. They're actually on their honeymoon, so that's a good time for them. Yeah, we did some great snorkeling today. Spent some time on the beach. It was a good day, very good day. We did have breakfast here. Breakfast was was really good. Yeah,
I posted some pictures on our Instagram page.
Yeah. So, all right. Well, we're gonna head down the road to Rosa Serena. We'll see you there. Rosa Serena's has a really nice rooftop deck, so we're gonna go head up and get a table and wait for our friends. So we're gonna have to sit at the bar because all of the tables are reserved. We didn't make a reservation. That's what happens when you change your dinner plans last minute. See anything you like, babe?
I'm deciding if I want a glass of wine or if I want to stay on the tequila train or wine.
We've been seeing the local brewing company here on the island, Isla Brewing Company, and we wanted to check it out. They have a menu here. They have a selection of their beers here. So I got the Clara KC, which is like a lager. It's a blonde ale with a lager-like qualities. So I'm gonna give that a try. See how it is.
And I got the habanero margarita.
Oh, you know what it tastes like? It tastes like one of those Sam Adams summer pale ale things.
And I got
it's really good.
House habanero margarita, which is delicious. It's really good.
Jen loves her habanero margaritas.
I do.
The atmosphere at Rosa Serena's can't be beat.
This place is so chill.
This is nice. They got live music. Everything.
It's right in La Gloria, like downtown, where a lot of locals live. It's so chill. It's right on the rooftop. Yes, please.
Tuna.
Por favor, gracias.
Wow.
Ooh, mashed potatoes,
That looks good, babe.
green veggies, and
Chicken. Oh, thank you. All right, let's dig in. This looks delicious, guys. This looks delicious. I expected I'm really gonna like it. What do you think of your dinner?
all I have to say is that the beer is just crazy, stupid good. I had a tuna steak back in the States, and you order a tuna steak and they ask how you want it cooked. This is it's perfect medium rare. Oh my gosh, I can barely finish it.
Yeah.
What did you have?
Well, the chicken was great. I got a stuffed chicken breast with mozzarella cheese and peppers and everything else, and risotto. And I made Clean Plate Club. It's good. I enjoyed it. So yeah, Rosa Serena's is a great restaurant. I'm sorry we're not reviewing the Dalla Visa at the Casa Ixchel, but they were closed tonight. So.
Can we stay tomorrow night?
Yeah, I'd love to stay another night.
Another week.
Yeah, Casa Ixchel is a great establishment. We really enjoyed our stay there. Everything was great. The restaurant that's attached to it, Dalla Visa, I'm a little disappointed that they weren't open tonight, but I have nothing negative to say about Casa Ixchel. If you're considering staying there when you come to Isla Mujeres, do it in confidence. You'll enjoy yourself. It's a beautiful reef, beautiful pool, beautiful rooms. The staff is very friendly and attentive, so we definitely enjoyed our stay there. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching another episode. We'll see you in the next one.